One. Uh, I think last time we saw some file commands from the basic Linux terminal commands. So we are also going to see some in this tutorial from sixth onwards. These are all general purpose commands which we can use in our daily life. So let's start with the first command. Uh, Not the first command. We have seen some five commands in the previous lecture. So let's start from the CP. So CP command in Linux to copy files from one directory to another directory. So let's see that. We can go to our UTM. Okay. So we'll see what files we have right now in our directory. So we have index.html. We have history, we have local.txt, we have sorting.txt. So if I want to move index.html file from here to downloads folder, then what I can do is cp index.html and then I'll mention the downloads folder, which is this. And if we see ls downloads, then we can find the index.html file in the downloads folder, right? Let's go to the next one. Then we have mv command. So cp will just uh, copy your file from one directory to the another directory, but mv will move the file directly. So it will not retain your file in the previous location. So you will find your file in the current location where you have moved your file. So let's see now, ls, I want to move this index file from here to the public directory. So what I can do, I'll do mv index to public. So then if I do ls, I can't find the index.html file over here. But if I do ls from public, public, yeah, I can find the index.html file in the public. So it moved its path, the location. Then we have the rm command. Rm command in Linux used to delete the files. So let's see, we are in the public directory. So I want to delete the index.html file. So what I can do, I'll write rm index.html, and if I do ls, then our index.html file is deleted. Okay, so let's go to the next command, which is uname. So uname command in Linux command to get the basic information about the OS. Okay, so if I just write uname, I don't get much of the information over here, but we'll see the man page of the uname, and it has an option as all. So if we type -a, let's type that uname -a. So we'll get so much information over here. So it's the operating system. That's my workstation name. So then we have some information over here. I'll just move it here. The date. I think I have created this on this date, the virtual machine, and some other information. Yeah. Let's see the next command. We have just saw the uname command. We'll see the locate command. Locate command in Linux used to find a file in a database. So we have a good, uh, we'll see if we have some files. Okay, in public we have test. We'll go cd and then ls. Okay. Okay. We'll find the test find in the public. So if I type, what's the command? locate, right? So locate test dot txt. Then, oh, we have some same name files in the different directories. So we have the test file in the home directory itself, our home directory, Sue Gaikawa's home directory. Then we have the same file in the pictures directory. So test.txt in the pictures, and then we have the file in the videos directory. I think we want the public directory. Okay, test and test. Okay, let's see. cd public ls test.txt. I don't have anything in this file. Let it be. But that's the use case. We got these files from these directories. We can use locate to find the files. Got it? Let's go to the next one. Locate. Then the touch command. Touch command is used to create empty files. So I think we have seen this earlier. I want to make a new file as uh, global.txt. So I'll just say touch global.txt. And then if we do ls, then we will have global.txt file on our device. Next one, ln. So this is ln, we can see it's just a command, but deeper inside the ln, then it is a good topic. So if you want to learn about ln, then it might take like 10 to 15 minutes of lecture for ln. But I'll just uh, let's say we'll just see the basics of the ln command. So ln is used to create the links of the file. So there are two types of links in the Linux. So the first one is hard link and the second one is soft link. So how we can differentiate in both of these links? So as I'll take an example of hard link first. So there is a use case where a boss and an employee. So boss would like to look at the employees some really how we can say that uh, some really secret files which should not be uh, modified incorrectly, right? So there is a use case where a person, an employer wants to keep track of his employees' secret files of the company, which should not be getting modified by the employee. So how he can keep track of those files? He will create an hard link to those files. So if I create, we have sorting.txt. Okay. So if I type sorting.txt and I'll create an hard link, HL sorting.txt. Okay. So we have created a hard link between sorting.txt and HL sorting.txt. HL is like the hard link naming convention. So a great way to see the relationship between those files. This is the original file and this is the hard linked file. So if we see that the HL sorting have its okay, we will have to take a look at. the LTR. I think ls hyphen uh no. Let's see the man page. Classified, right? File type. We can see the file type. I, yes, ls hyphen I. So, mm, we can say that ll hyphen I, maybe. Yeah, got it. So the sorting.txt have its inode number. The inode number is a number which was assigned to any particular file or directory by the operating system. The operating system here is RHEL. So RHEL defined the sorting.txt and inode number, which is an unique number provided to the sorting.txt. If we see the HL sorting.txt's inode number, it is the same inode number as the sorting.txt. Why? Because we created a hard link between those. So we will just see an example of hard link over here. We will vim into sorting.txt. We have some numbers. We will count how many numbers we do we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We'll add one more number. We will make it 10. So we have 21. I'll type 77 and then I'll save the file. Got it? How many numbers do we have in this sorting.txt right now? We have 10 numbers. So now we will see how many numbers do we have in this HL sorting text file. When HL sorting.txt. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Have we edited this file? No, we haven't. But we edited the original file. That's why the changes are populated inside this file also. So I think you have understood the concept of hard link. So what is the soft link? I think we have seen some examples of soft link previously in your day-to-day life while using your Windows computer. There is an example of if you want to go inside a specific folder in your Windows, then you can create a shortcut of that to your desktop. So if you are on your desktop, then you will have a shortcut for this in that folder. And after clicking to that shortcut, you will be directed to the main folder. So that's the same thing in the soft link. So we'll create a soft link. For the soft link, we can use the S option S. So I'll just check man L. What's the okay, LN, man LN. Okay. So there are two options in the ln command. So the small s option is for the symbolic, which means that you will create a shortcut kind, like the soft link of that folder. Okay? It will not be the hard link. Make a symbolic link instead of the hard links. Uh, what is the meaning of bigger S, the capital S? Override the usual backup suffix. Okay, it is different. Let's see the soft link. So I want to create now. Uh, the hard link can be created from the files. Okay, but we can create a soft link for a directory. Okay, so I want to make a soft link for the pictures. Okay, I want to uh, make it like how we can name it ln hyphen s, then the original file or folder, which is pictures, and then I want to create pictures shortcut. Okay, ls, and we have the picture shortcut. Uh, the OS automatically given him a different color to identify this is not an original directory, but it is an soft link. It is a shortcut for the original directory. So we'll see again ls hyphen I for the inode. So I'll just ll hyphen I. Okay. In this, we can see, yeah, the picture shortcut is a shortcut for the pictures. The inode of the picture shortcut is like 520737782. We'll just see 782. Do we have for the pictures? 782. Yeah, you can directly see it over here. 3623 7782 is the inode for the pictures, but we have 520737782. This is the picture shortcuts inode number. So this is the hard link and the soft link. We'll clear the screen. Okay. The next command is the cat command. Cat command in Linux displays the file contents on the terminal. So let's see how many files do we have? Which file should we see? Uh, I think we do have some text inside the sorting.txt. So we'll just see cat sorting.txt. Yeah, we can see it on the terminal screen itself, the content of the file. Let's see the next one. The clear command. The clear command is very easy because if your the screen of the terminal is getting cluttered, so how you can clear that? By typing the clear command. Okay, you will get a new and free clean terminal. The PS command. The PS command in Linux displays the processes in the terminal. Okay, so we'll see the PS command directly. What you can see it over here. The PID is the process ID. The TTY is the terminal type. So there are six types of terminals. We'll see it in the some another lecture. We do have two processes. The first one is bash, which means it sells the terminal. Okay. And then we have the PS because we just type the PS command. If I want to make another, I'll just fire up the Firefox. And then, yeah, the Firefox is running. I go inside the terminal and I'll just type PS again. Okay, it is not getting over here. I think we can see it in the top command. Yeah, the Firefox. So we do have different commands to track the tasks. Uh, the next one. Mhm. Clear. Yeah. Okay. Next one. Man. Man command in the Linux accesses manual for all the Linux commands. So it's just like an helping command for all the uh, Linux commands. So we'll see man, and we just saw the top command. So we'll see the top displays Linux processes. So this command, by typing the top, will get the information of all the processes which are running on the Linux system or our Linux system. Okay, we can see all the information. over here. Grep. Grep command in Linux search for specific string in an output. So we'll see the grep command ls, and I think we'll type something in the local.txt. Oh, we do have something in the local.txt. Okay. Then we'll just say grep. What do you want to find? I want to find Suyash. Okay. So I think there is an option over here. Like if I have Suyash written as small s in the local.txt file. So will it catch that by using the grep? Well, just see the bigger capital SUYASH, which does have inside this local.txt. Local.txt. Yeah, it found that. But it will not capture the small one. So that's why you need to uh, specify an option in the grep. Mm, I think it's like ignore case -I. Ignore the cases, distinctions in patterns and input data so that characters are differ only in the case match each other. So I'll just say man, no, the grep -I and the string is Suyash. So this is not present inside the local.txt, but still we can get our data without the case restriction. Got it? Let's go to the next command. We just saw the grep. We'll see echo. Echo is the very simple command. If we want to echo, I'll say hello. It will return back as hello. I'll, I think I know something as shell. I've seen this command somewhere. So we'll see which shell do we have. Is this, yeah, we have /bin/bash shell. So it echo command is used to return back the value. So we can get something like this if you specify a proper command over there. Let's see the next one. wget. Wget command in Linux downloads the files from the internet. So we'll see wget and we'll see google.com. Will it work? Yeah, it worked. So it says that it stored the output of google.com in the index.html file. So we'll see, do we have index.html? Yeah, we do have. So we'll see cat index.html. Yeah, it have, you can see some HTML text over here, right? Contents and everything. So where we can use this command, which command is this? wget. So if you are working as an uh, Linux administrator or cloud engineer or DevOps engineer, then you have to find some of the errors which you are getting inside the log files. So we do get some raw log files on our like the GitHub, and when we deploy our applications, we do get log files. So then we can duplicate those log files in our system and we can sort those error fields which are we are getting, and then we can troubleshoot those errors. This is where the wget command is helpful for us. The next command is whoami. The whoami command in the Linux displays the current username. We'll see who am I. So it is saying that you are Su Gaikawa, which is my username. Let's see the next one. Sort. Sort command in Linux sorts the file content. Okay, it's the simple one. We do have something as sorting.txt. So we'll just specify sorting.txt. So it will give us the sorted list. It is 15, 21, 33, 39. Yeah, we do got the sorted list. But if we cat inside this file, the changes we are seeing over here are not written inside the sorting.txt file. So if we say that sorting.txt, the changes are as itself, but just for the sort command, it will sort the output of the file. So it will take the input, sort it, and give it back to us, right? Next one, cal. So cal command in Linux, view calendar in the terminal. We'll see clear cal. So it will return that. This is February 24th. Today's date is 7. It highlighted as white background. And yeah, we can see 3 months of calendar by using cal-3. So it will return back the January one and the March one with the February, which is current right now. Next one. Where is? So this command in Linux view the exact location of any command you typed after this command. So we'll see where is the cal command. Okay, where is cal? So it will return as cal command is resides in user bin cal, user share man1, cal1, gz. Gz is the zipped file. And yeah, we do what? The path, the actual original path of the cal. Okay. The df command in Linux checks the details of the file system. So we'll see what do we have running on the file system. So we do have /dev /shm run system files, then boot EFI, and some other files. It will show the available the storage, used storage, and some other information. Okay. The last command is wc. Command in Linux checks the line, word count, and characters in a file using different options. So we'll see we do have a big file as index.html, as you know. Yeah, this one. So we'll see wc and index.html. So it does have 14 521. We do need to check how this 14 specifies to which the lines and the I think these are the characters, these are the lines, these are the something else. Can we check? Man WC. Okay. WC prints new line, word, and the byte counts for each file. So it does have some, I think, can we say that? New line, word, and byte counts. Okay. Yeah. 14 new lines, 521 words, and byte counts are this much 22,863. So we can use WC command to get these information from any of the files. Got it? Okay. These are some general purpose commands, some 25 commands in the Linux. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.